What's going on, you guys? Odie Matthews here, and this is the start of Pants Week. Alright, so as you know, I've been hyping this up for weeks and weeks and weeks on my channel. I talked about it last week on my koala tree jacket episode, and we are going to kick things off Mott&Bow. Okay, so the two pairs I have from Mott&Bow are, these are their late, I hope I'm saying that right, I'll put it up on the screen, the late jeans and their brand new twill chino pants. Okay, so Mott&Bow was nice enough, and I'm so incredibly thankful. They were nice enough to send me the jeans for free, which is awesome. So I went ahead and returned the favor by purchasing these bad boys as soon as they became available, because I fell in love with the comfort of the first pair I got, and the second pair has not let me down at all. Okay, so the reason I fell in love with their jeans, and I have other jeans also on that coming up this week that are just as comfortable, but these are such a stylistic and unique pair of jeans. For one, they're super comfy, and I recorded some videos of me like walking and twirling around in them, but these jeans are comfy, and that's the main point. With all these pants, they're all going to obviously be comfy, but you also want something that's going to fit your style or fashion sense. So what I try to do is I try to pick pants that I kind of can appeal to everybody. Mott&Bow also have all these in female jeans too, so for you ladies out there, there are female equivalent versions of these pants. What I also love about Mott&Bow is that all their jeans, there's a lot of different styles. I just picked the lates because they're like, hey, pick one and we'll send it to you. I kind of like the lighter wash blue on these, but they have a ton of different styles and fits. They have athletic, slim, skinny. They also have chino pants, and they have khakis, and just a plethora, if you will, if you'll allow me to, of things to choose from, which I absolutely love. But let's talk about the pants themselves. Okay, so first the jeans. For one, the feel of these jeans is nice. They feel like normal jeans on the outside, but the way they perform and move and stretch, they feel like something completely else. They don't feel like jeans when you're wearing these. When it comes to riding in a car, these were definitely extremely comfortable. That's the other thing about these jeans, just for everyday use. These have been my go-to for like date nights with my girlfriend, or just going out to the store, I guess. And I definitely, you know, I want more. That's the thing, is this makes me want to buy more of these. But that's a good thing, because that means that they're high quality, they're comfortable, they're fun to wear. I enjoy wearing them. I actually got compliments on them because they are nice, appealing jeans, and that's amazing. I love that. But you know, they're normal jeans. There's not much to them. There's no hidden pockets. There's no secret anything. They are extremely comfortable for travel. They're extremely comfortable when it comes to mobility. I like the aesthetic of them. I like their very nice little patch back here. Hopefully my camera, I'll eventually get a new camera that autofocuses better. Mott&Bow, just great pair of jeans. Again, these are the late men's slim jeans that I have here. They have tons and tons and tons of other ones. Great for travel, great for everyday use, great for going out. And with that, let's talk about my other favorite pair of pants, these twill chinos. These are some of the best chino pants I have ever worn. Again, they're slim down at the bottom, but they're so stretchy, but not overly stretchy. I've had pairs of chinos and stuff in the past, or khakis, or just pants in general, where like they're too stretchy for everyday use. You're like, these are too much. I think when I used to wear American Eagle jeans, they had like this flex combo with their jeans, and they were just too stretchy. It didn't feel right. It didn't, none of it felt right. But with these, it's like that nice, perfect blend. They're extremely comfortable all the way throughout. I actually recently, these are like the newest pants. I think I just got these like 3 days ago before filming, so I haven't worn them as much as my jeans. I got these like a month ago because I wanted to wear each pair of pants for like at least a week. So unfortunately I didn't get a chance to wear these for a week, but I did get to take them out on a date, and just really super comfortable. I mean, I drove in them. Again, I really just enjoy wearing them. I like this little thing going on back here, this like little weird cut seam. I don't know. I mean, again, they're just typical chino pants, but there's something about these, the stretch, the flexibility, the feel, the look. It's hard to to say, because again, how do you really review pants except for they're comfortable? But these are just more than comfortable. For one, Mott&Bow, I should have talked about this at the beginning, Mott&Bow is an incredible company. When I've been talking to them for over a month now, because these were the first ones, I sent out like a few emails to different pants companies and was like, hey, like I want to do your pants, you know, could you give me a discount code for like viewers or anything like that? Like, do you want to partner up on this? And Mott&Bow was one of the first ones to respond. They're like, yes, we'll send you a pair of pants and we'll give you a discount code. It's for 10% off, which is awesome. But they were just such a joy to talk to, and like they've been emailing me and I've been talking back and forth, and they were just so much fun and just such nice people, which again, when it comes to everything I've talked about on this channel, comes down to the company you're buying from. You're gonna buy from a conglomerate company that just mass produces things and does not care, like American Eagle, Hollister, you know, those Gaps, those kinds of brands. When it comes to pants, you're gonna go for a little bit extra on the wallet, but a company that truly cares. And that's the feel that I get from Mott&Bow. That's what I get from talking to them, is that they really care about what they produce. They care about the people that buy them, and they want to make sure that you really enjoy them. And that's why they follow up and do things like that, which I absolutely love. And they have been just, again, a pleasure to work for. And all these companies that I've talked to, just been a pleasure to talk to. But Mott&Bow, shout out to you guys. I really appreciate everything you guys have done to help me with this, and just awesome. So because this is a packing channel, I want to shout this out too. I have packed these a couple times in packing cubes, the Mott&Bow packing cubes, which I have that bag up on display, because right now that is, if you're gonna get a gift this holiday season, someone wants a travel bag, I gotta say you gotta go with the Mott&Bow. Right now it's probably my favorite travel bag that I've been using. I really love it. The packing cubes are incredible, and that's what I put these in, as well as a Peak Designs packing cube, and they pack super well. I just did like a really basic kind of half-ass roll on these things, where I just kind of like folded them in half like this, and then I kind of just smoothed them out a little bit, and then I just kind of rolled them from this end, which you get the gist of what I'm saying. And they packed out really well. Like honestly, when it comes to packing, like you want to obviously take up less space. And if I was going to go somewhere and I was going to take like 3 pairs of pants, I would want them to be pants that can pack really well. And both of these pack really well. Another thing is, when you roll pants, everyone's biggest concern is, well, if you roll them, they're going to get wrinkled. Yes, unless they're awesome, in which this case, these are awesome because they didn't get wrinkled. So boom, problem solved. So if you head over to Mott&Bow right now and use the code OM10, you can get 10% off your order. Great deal. Like I said, these are a little bit pricier than like normal jeans. Like if you went to American Eagle and you bought like a $40 pair of jeans, yeah, these are a little bit pricier, but I guarantee you these are gonna last 10 times longer than anything you get from like a department store or like Walmart or anything like that, because these are built quality, high quality, endurance quality that's gonna last. And I really like that. And these also, for the money, these are amazing. I'm looking forward to getting more. I probably need to stop buying pants, because I have pants from all these companies and I want to buy more from all these companies, and I'm gonna have like 20 pairs of pants, and that's just too many pants. So look, great pair, Mott&Bow, great company. Again, I want to say you're helping out the little guy, because again, that's what when it comes to buying from companies, like there's such a joy in knowing that you're supporting a company that actually like is working hard and isn't mass producing these things, like I said. So I love that. Mott&Bow, code OM10, get 10% off your order. Go over there, get a pair. Let me know if you get a pair. Tag me in on Instagram, or put it on the comments or something. My Instagram, it's in the description. I want to know if you get this pair. Let me know, because I think this is a great company to buy pants from. And one last thing I will say is all of this are also in female. I'm sorry that I am only a male and I can't also model female pants. I tried to get my girlfriend to do it, but she said no. So that's what happens. So unfortunately, all the pants you're gonna see, I only have them in males, but these are also available in females, so check them out. Awesome for ladies as well. That's it. We did the first episode of Pants Week, guys. We did it. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about these pants, would like to know more pictures, anything like that, let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to get more information over to you. As always, if there is a product, whether it be clothing, travel, backpack, accessory, anything like that you want me to get my hands on and review, let me know in the comments below, and I will do my best to make that happen so you can see the product that you want to potentially buy. If you guys could leave this video a like, that super helps out. Subscribe if you want more nonsense about stuff like this. And thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy the rest of Pants Week.